Hi, let's have a fit check. Monday. 12:30 na guys, so synchronous kami sa Tanantuan. All our classes today are synchronous. Pero we gotta study at the library. Wait na lang. Joke lang din sa synchronous guys. May klase kami tarap sa partnership. Pero mag-topics lang ako. Nothing serious. Roxy Marie. What did you do?
I did it like that.
Huh?
With my mom.
Practice guys, practice.
Gusto niya mag-graduate.
Agila practice sa coding.
Ano? Tungan kami, oh my god.
Yes, so proud. Hello guys. Ano ka po kay Sir Lee?
Guys, so
Kalbo. Keep. Let's have a time check. What time is it?
It's 12:30.
What have you finished?
Ako.
Say, finish naman ko guys. Then, text ka tsura. Hello, ay.
Countdown.
We still have 2 days left to study.
Yes. Oh my god, I cannot do this anymore.
Let's go home. Unsolicited fit check. Let's go. Lang tulog, lang kain, quiz. Sige lang, importante ko pa. Init. Grabe lang ato ano. Grabe lang to ano. Derman ta ni man. Matuo na lang ko gani. Slay. Ano na kung traw. Slay. Let's go. Guys, sarado na guys. Hello! Say hello.
Hi guys.
Ari ako ginaway ka ginagay.
Yung pahibi ako. Ang naghibi. Kaya ang nagpahibi.
Hamot ba? O, di ka mahiderd. You're so beautiful, girl. Dirita agi ako kita. to another episode. And in today's episode, we are going to library to dulong-dulong ang gagamit and going out to gate 9 to eat. Shh. Quiet.
Ramos.
Ramos ba to? Lacson! Oh! May lightsaber. Every time may tapok.
Matay ko. Nugay ko nga.
Ga! Hi! How many days left?
One. One day left. One day, guys. Imagine. One day! Oh my God. So much first step.
Gano'n, hindi na sarahan. Tapos no?
What happened? Why is it so fast?
Let's go! Mami yung churro. Arya? Cooker. Mami yung churro do. Dutod-tuod. You got the good. Local. Jogging. Saan may? No. Hi guys, we're asleep. We've been asleep. By the quiz. Last na lang tayo. Hindi pa lang parehas kay Sir Daning akong last na lang.
That was so bad.
Lain-lain, ganyan.
Stay positive.
At least hindi zero.
Oh, die. 24 over. Okay, basta hindi. 45. 27 over 45. No comment daw. No comment, guys.
Ano, bon? Ba kung wala ko lang taninan, next accidental itong 5. Hi guys. We're going to get the goods for tomorrow. Munggol po ni. May munggol. Dapat ang munggol. Where? Ay, ang bala. Ang bala. Hindi na lang ako magmunggol to. Tuod? Oh, sige. Here. Hi guys, guess where we're going?
Dito, guys.
Where are we going?
Pasilay kami, guys.
Yes, hindi na kami di. Char.
Come on.
Guys, out of this world quiz. Surprise lang guys ah. Put lang.
Yes.
Aku semantu umabot sa natun.
Wala kami kabalo kung paano naman i-treat ang kada problem, sir. Guys, we're done with our mission. Sharpen you, sir. Let's go, Saint Lasal. Please be good to us. Ah, receive a boss! Grabe na, iyangan mo ba? Oh, oh, siya lang isa o gamubo. Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
Guys, I got another episode of review for quality.
Wala na. Wala na. Tapos
Ay,
na.
ba? Life update. Nearby. Tip, wala na.
Nagabot niya demon.
Wala na, baga manulay guys. Kita, agim lang yung mga liadya mo.
Gano'n kada to? Ano? Morning. Today is the day we've been waiting. Okay, so it's 7:30. I'm 1 hour early before the exam. Mag-grab ako breakfast. Good check. Let's go. Let's go. We're prepared for this. Tapos naman yung basic. Tapos naman ako ng partnership. Hindi na po magsalin na. Grabe. Balo na kami tayo. Pasaruan ko niya kay parang hindi mag-i-listen. Sila gawa ni Rox. Pasaruan pa rin sila maghalin sa lasal. Nida, hindi niya. Ano mo? Nida, hindi niya. Pwede rin siya. Okay guys, bye. Bye. Guys. So, pero finally,
So freaking done.
at least tapos na.
I'm gonna eat myself back. No, because we're actually so done.
Yeah.
I'm kinda happy we're done.
At least tapos na. Guys, gawad-gawad, ganyan, as in. Hi guys, say hello.
This is our pampakalma.
Baby kalma. Sorry, Jel. Wow, so nice. Hi guys. Ayun lang, wait, it's so okay there. Like this?
Sorry, wala bi ano sa iPhone. Wala like double click mo lang or ano, tapos mag-switch.
Mag-double click ko. Walang mani.
Walang tawa.
Amo to siya ang Clark Pampanga Airport. Oh!
Pagod ka ba?
Why is it like this?
Tayo ka to.
Guys, kita nyo to. Matiin nyo to. Matiin nyo to, guys. Hoy! Manong lakat na ko!
Hello guys. She is so calm. Qualifying exam.
Anong nagkwalyo? Ate?
Yeah, nagtindog sa pinindog ng bilog na sa nakagagbato sa partita. YouTube lang. That's one.
Matamot sa mo ba?
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to downtown. Downtown, Plaza Mart.
Gani.
Nung, isa lang ang downtown dito Plaza Mart. Or ang Plaza Mart ara sa
Plaza
downtown.
Mart, sa before lang na, pero downtown lang nagyapon. Isa lang na sila.
Okay. Thank you, no.
Siguro kung ayaw man ka mo
Hindi.
Taga. Nagpuli lang kami din, no? Kay wala na kami to enrollan kay puno ng eskwelahan.
ayaw mo. Okay. Taga Manila ako.
Oo, wala namin choice. Dalag kami ni Gross.